Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. I hope you're enjoying your informational books that we've started to read. I really like informational books, especially ones about animals, right? I'm sure you do too. We're going to do one more thing today that we're going to talk about is what we notice when we're thinking about our informational books before we start reading. So yesterday we talked about looking at the cover and like predicting, and we had the nest book. And I thought, I bet this is about different types of birds' nests. Now, before I read it, I'm also going to think what I already know about this. So I already know that birds build nests. I know that eagles build big nests. I know that some birds use sticks and some birds use grass. And I know that some birds use mud to make their nests. I'm wondering if the author is going to talk about what birds use to make their nests. So now I'm going to look in the book and I'm going to see if the author talks about what I know. I see this bird uses sticks and twigs. So maybe the author's going to talk about that. There's a big eagle's nest. This is a hummingbird. I bet he has a small nest. I know that. Now, I don't know anything about these birds that are in the cactus and in the tree. That would be something new I would learn. And this is about baby birds. I wonder what that's about. Oh, some birds in the water have a nest. Oh, penguins. I didn't think of them as a nest, did I? All right, so boys and look at those big ostrich eggs. Those are huge. So boys and girls, I did already know some things about nests, but I think if I read this book, I would learn a lot more about nests. So when you start with a book, what you need to do is think about what you think the book is going to be about, what you might learn in the book, but then also think about what you already know about the book. So let's do this one. This one's called Animals at Night. And I see here's a picture of an owl. I'm thinking that this book is going to be all about animals that hunt at night. So can you think of, and I see a bat right there. Can you think about other animals that are awake at night? You know, around my house, there's deer that come out at night and raccoons come out at night. I know there's an animal called an opossum that comes out at night. So boys and girls, this is what you're doing. Looking at the cover, kind of thinking about what the book is going to be about. Is it informational, right? And then thinking about what you already know. And then you're going to look through the book. There's owls. There's a dog sleeping. There's a mouse. I bet the owl's hunting the mouse. There is a raccoon. Maybe I was right there. I see frogs. Maybe that's what the raccoon's eating. A skunk. Those do come out at night. I forgot about skunks. There's some other animals that maybe come out at night. So boys and girls, you are going to think about, what do I know that might be in here? And kind of predict and try and guess if you can think about what the author's going to talk about before you even read it. I bet you'll get some things right. But then you'll also notice things that you didn't know that you're going to have to add into your brain when you read. Okay, boys and girls, enjoy those informational books today.